Jack, are these clothes clean or dirty?
Good question. If they don't smell bad, can we call them clean?
Jack, that's not how laundry works. When did you wear this shirt?
Yesterday, but only for a few hours.
Then it's dirty. No shortcuts.
Fine. Okay, whites in one basket, colors in another.
Yes, and don't mix them, or your white shirt will turn pink again.
Hey! That happened only once, and pink looked good on me.
Maybe, but I don't want pink underwear.
Pink underwear could be a new fashion trend.
Oh, very funny. Just put the towels with the whites.
Are you sure? Last time I washed the towels, they came out smelling strange.
That's because you used fabric softener instead of detergent.
Oh, so soft doesn't mean clean.
Exactly. From now on, I'll be the brain and you'll be the muscles. Deal?
Deal. Laundry soldier reporting for duty.
Good. Now pick up those socks from under the bed.
What? Socks? I don't see any socks.
Jack, they're literally in your hand.
Oh, these? I thought they were, gloves.
You're hopeless.
Okay, baskets are ready. Now, should I just throw all the clothes in?
Not throw, Jack. Gently place them in the machine.
3 points.
Stop. This is laundry, not the NBA.
Fine, fine. I'll gently put them in. But this drum is smaller than I thought. Can't we just stuff everything inside and wash it all at once?
No, if you overload it, the clothes won't get clean.
But it saves time. One wash and I'm free for video games.
Or one wash and you're free to buy a new washing machine.
Okay, point taken. Half full, not too heavy. Got it.
Good. Now add the detergent.
How much? A big scoop?
No, 1 cup is enough.
Like this?
Jack, that's a coffee mug. Use the little cup in the box.
Oh, I thought more soap equals cleaner clothes.
No, more soap equals more bubbles and a disaster.
A bubble disaster doesn't sound so bad. I like bubbles.
Trust me, you won't like bubbles on the floor.
Okay, 1 small cup. Done. Can I add a little perfume too?
That's fabric softener, not perfume. And yes, but not too much.
Smells nice. If laundry fails, at least the room will smell good.
Just close the lid before you make more jokes.
Roger that. Machine loaded, detergent in, lid closed. Laundry soldier ready for the next mission.
Good job, soldier. Let's move to the control panel.
Whoa, it looks like a spaceship.
It's not that complicated. Just read the labels.
Let's see. Cotton, synthetics, delicate, quick wash, eco wash, heavy duty. Why do we need so many? Can't there just be a button that says, wash everything?
Because clothes are different. You don't wash your socks the same way you wash your suit.
Wait, people wash suits in washing machines?
No, Jack. That's exactly why you need to know the settings.
Okay, so what do I press for these clothes?
For the whites, use hot wash. For the colors, use cold wash.
Hot, cold. It feels like I'm ordering a coffee.
Except this coffee cleans your shirts.
But why cold for colors?
Because hot water makes colors fade. You don't want your red t-shirt turning into a pale pink one, right?
No! Not my favorite red t-shirt. That's my lucky one.
Exactly. So, cold wash for colors.
Okay, hot for whites, cold for colors. Easy. But what about eco-wash?
That's to save water and energy. It takes longer, but uses less.
Save the planet or save my time? Tough choice.
Well, if you want to save yourself from more laundry lectures, just do what I said.
Yes, ma'am. Laundry soldier following orders.
Good. Now, press start.
Oops! Did I just start spin only?
Jack, remind me never to let you fly a real spaceship.
Hey, at least I didn't press cancel.
True. Okay, this time, press the green button.
And we have liftoff. Whoa! Did the machine just scream at me?
No, that's just the sound telling us it's finished.
Well, it scared me. I thought it was going to explode.
Relax, Captain Drama. Open the lid and take the clothes out.
Hey, this actually smells amazing.
Of course it does. Clean laundry always smells good.
Fresh mountain air with a hint of not my job.
Careful. If you keep joking, I'll make laundry your permanent job.
Laundry soldier accepts the mission.
Okay, soldier, don't leave the clothes inside too long.
Why not? They're safe here. It's like a cozy hotel for shirts.
If you leave them, they'll start smelling damp.
Damp, like wet dog smell?
Exactly. And nobody wants that.
Okay. Out you go, soldiers. Fresh air for everyone.
Don't forget that sock stuck on the drum.
Poor little guy, almost left behind.
Laundry rescue mission complete.
Emma, wait. This one looks smaller. Did it shrink?
No, Jack. You just got bigger.
Well, I have been working out.
Sure. Let's go with that. Now let's hang them up before they wrinkle. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English phrases. Click on one of the videos here on the screen and keep going with your English journey.